Hi guys! Today our journey is a little different and unique mode. We have started our journey from Yamaha Velocity Motors Kolkata and our destination would be the Eco Park New Town Gate 4. Presently, time is 9 am and we should started the journey as you can see. Our BBC member also participated in the call of blue events. We are taking an interest in the call of blue events. It is called the Yamaha color of blue. This event is for only Yamaha fans and Yamaha lovers. Blackwheel bikers individuals, they are likewise Yamaha lovers. Let's go and keep in touch with us and enjoy this riding. Hey guys, now that we are entering Eco Park, you can see all the Yamaha lovers, they are really crazy fans. Now we are entering Eco Park and will share something about the Eco Park. Everyone's are being familiar with Eco Park. However, the Eco Park is the largest and most beautiful park in Kolkata. The West Bengal Ecological Garden, the first of its kind in the eastern region of India. A total of 480 acres of land containing and surrounding the water body were declared to be converted into and subsequently. WBHIDCO initiated the process of developing this new dream called the Eco Park. People can come here to relax and rejuvenate, socialize or seek solitude and learn firsthand how the region's flora and fauna benefit their city, as the waterlands filter water and the plants filter air. It provides a perfect work-life balance. Presently, we are riding on the nature with a lake of delightful grand magnificence. In the morning, we are truly enjoying a lot. As you can see, these are really crazy people. They are driving his bikes. This is really crazy moment. I can't explain it. We just feel it thanks to Yamaha. Every year, Yamaha Motor India organizes these events. All over West Bengal, Yamaha dealers and distributors as well as individual Yamaha lovers are participating in these events. Guys, this is an entry point for those who registered their names before joining these events. They can only enter these events and participate. After completing the entry, all participants got a welcome gift like a small bag, a Yamaha wristband, a Yamaha blue stripe branding stickers. Guys, in this event, there are a few stalls as you can see. You can buy riding jackets, gloves, helmets and lots of accessories as well. Let's enjoy the events, get in touch with us and enjoy the whole event with us.
Good man. Lovely. Dig back. Back that whole us back.
Here two riding occasions you can take an interest. One is slow motion with track riding and number 2 is gymkhana riding. For participating, you have to enter your name, driving license number and the bike number. Yamaha agent will clear up everything how far you taking part on this riding contest. Let's go and see how our Blackwheel Bikers Club will perform. This is slow movement track race. Your motorcycle both wheels never contact the ground and go begin to end go with slow movement on this track. and the another is Gymkhana riding place. You have get a trial path riding option after the trial, and you have started the final round. As you can see, our member started the trial path run. Now he is beginning the final round. And he has finished this event very nicely.
Okay, this is going to be the third one from Inzumtam. Very Kilmi Tali Uchabo. Let's have a round of claps. And Asif Sansar. Okay, Team Velocity. Great job, yeah. You have a really good riders. Congratulations.
Guys, finally we finished here. Enjoyed a lot, were memorable and were entertaining. Again, thanks to Yamaha Motor India. Take care, bye bye, and see you on another Blue Strike event. আমাদের পরবর্তী ভিডিও আপডেট পেতে don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for our next video notification. Thanks for watching our video. Stay tuned, take care and bye bye.